Hello students, this is Brother Barnes. In this learning module, you're going to be looking into plants. There's a pre-lab, there's some other exercises online, there's a discussion board. That's the big difference. There is a quiz. The discussion board is for you to tell something interesting or novel about plants. I want to tell you something novel that makes me happy. In the lab at school where I teach, I grow tomatoes, I grow jalapenos, I grow petunia flowers in water in hydroponic systems. So the whole idea is that this is a proof of concept for growing plants interstellar. We're talking about on the moon. We're talking about on Mars. I love it when Elon Musk talks about exploring the solar system. By the way, if you're interested in looking at some of the videos that I made, type in Darrell Barnes and hydroponics on YouTube, and you will see some of these cool videos if you're interested. I also have lectures on all the chapters. If you type in Darrell Barnes and plants or Darrell Barnes and evolution, you probably will find at least a short lecture on these topics if you're interested there. That might be a personal touch. Keep up the good work. It won't be long and it'll be time for your midterm, so please do take the practice test several times and make sure you have already scheduled at the home page for your midterm and your final. That's coming up fast. Be safe, mates.